Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Microsoft 365 Copilot app notifications. If you're receiving a lot of alerts or notifications from this app and you wish to stop them, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To do this, you need to access this app info page through settings. So go to settings on your phone and then go to apps. So if I scroll down, you can see apps is here, and look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From this, search for your apps. So just search for M365 and here we go, Copilot app. If you tap on it, we are on the app info page. At this point, go to permissions section and under permissions, look for notifications. Because these all notifications are on, that's why you have been receiving those alerts. To disable all of them, now toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth you never again receive alerts from Microsoft 365 Copilot app unless you turn them on again. So that's how you can disable notifications from this app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.